Yes, good afternoon officers. Time for our 10-minute CSAT training program. So today's topic, we have already done one topic on time and work. We did one topic on boats and streams, and today's topic is about ages. 100% guarantee question you will get from the topic of ages. Not just in UPSC, in all the exams you will get this topic. Therefore, this age problems basically there is nothing much to do. But the whole point is how you read the question is very important. Anta plus minus into division. These are the only things which are used. But reading the question and understanding the question is very important. So here, more than the math part, the English part of the question is very important. So keeping that in mind, let's solve one real-time PYQ question first. So a very important question from the topic of ages. Let's check this question. Very important. Father is 3 times as old as his son. After 15 years, the father will be twice as old as his son. What is the father's present age? It's a very simple question. So there will be 2 characters here, father, son. And direct relation, father is 3 times as old as his son. So father, son. So he's saying father is, ikkada meer gurtu pettukovalsina point ante, father is 3 times son అన్నాడు కాబట్టి దీన్ని ఈక్వేషన్ ఫామ్ లో మీరు మార్చుకోవాలి. ఫాదర్ ఎఫ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3 టైమ్స్, టైమ్స్ అంటే మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి, 3 ఇంటూ సన్ ఏజ్ ఎక్స్ అనుకుందాం. సో ఫాదర్ ఏజ్ బికమ్స్ 3x when the son's age is x. This is the major point that students have to understand. So father is 3 times the son. Okay, so appudu emodante finally I have got that son is x, father is 3x. This is present. Next, after 15 years emotadi, father age 15 perugutadi, son age kuda 15 perugutadi. Then the father will be twice as old as his son. So after 15 years, son will become x plus 15 while father will become 3x plus 15. Appudu valla majin relation enti? Father is twice. So 3x plus 15 is equal to 2 times x plus 15. So this becomes 3x plus 15 is equal to 2x plus 30. Therefore, x equal to 15. So the x value is 59. Appudu vaadu em adugutunnadu? What is the father's present age? Father present age entidi 3x. So therefore, our answer is very simple. X we have got as 15. So father present age is equal to 3x, which is nothing but 3 into 15, which is 45. So what's your answer? 45 years. So deentlo meer observe cheste, it is all about converting English into a mathematical equation. Adi major point. Adi manam gurtu pettukunte chalu. So this here is the major thing that students have to work on. Converting English into mathematics. That's very important. So keeping that in mind, inkoka problem chedam. This problem, look at this. The sum of the ages of A and B is 50 years. 5 years ago, and 5 years mundu, the ratio of their ages was 5:3. What is B's present age? This question will be your homework question for you. So homework question. Work on it. Find me what's the answer. So the kick here is very simple. Deentlo manaki sum annadu. Sum ante you have to add both ages. Of A and B is 50 years. 5 years ago the ratio of the ages was 5:3. So there are 2 cases. One is the sum of the present ages is 50 years. So for a clue, I will take A and B. Let A be X and B be Y. Uncount. So first name was manaki x plus y is equal to 50. This is first equation. Second equation emostadi 5 years ago the ratio of the ages was 5:3. 5 years ago 5 years ago అన్నాడు కాబట్టి A will be x minus 5, B will be y minus 5. అప్పుడు వాళ్ళ రేషియో 6:5:3. సో రేషియో is nothing but very simple. The ratio between them is 5/3. ఇక్కడ నుంచి now you have this, you will get second equation. You have to solve 1 and 2 and then you do the homework. So I have given you the whole working process. మీరు ఒక్కసారి ట్రై చేయండి. Those who feel that they cannot solve, try. తప్పు ఉంటే నేర్చుకుందాం, తప్పు లేకపోతే we'll feel good about it. So this is a very, very important topic, guarantee question for your UPSC. So Shamanth Pydikondala signing off for today. Bye-bye.